Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making spicy peach bourbon meatballs. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're making spicy peach bourbon meatballs. It's a pretty simple recipe. It doesn't take a whole heck of a lot. But I'll be using the sugar-free barbecue sauce, sweet and spicy, by G. Hughes Smokehouse. One jar of it, it's a whole jar, 170 calories. You can use regular barbecue sauce. I'm just trying to cut back on the calories myself. Go ahead, put that in. Put the lid back on. Turn it upside down. Wait for it to run out. Next up is a sugar-free peach preserves. One jar of it is 12.75 ounces. Once again, sugar-free, trying to lower the calories. 210 calories. Go ahead, stick that in. Now, I just got all this stuff at the Walmart, so it's pretty easy to find. Then we're going to be doing 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, 480 calories. Now you understand why I did sugar free. Now I'm going to be using a combination of garlic powder, chili powder, onion powder, a teaspoon of each, and I'm not sure of the calories. It doesn't have a calorie count on them. Put all that in. Now you can use whatever bourbon you want. Use your favorite bourbon, whatever you think's going to go good. I was down at the liquor store and I asked the people down there, and we talked about it and we came up with the Bird Dog jalapeno honey flavored whiskey. I'm going to be using 3 ounces, which is 300 calories. You can use more or less, it's totally up to you. Stir it all together. Gotta go ahead, put this to the side and get a crock pot. Put a crock pot on low. We're gonna be using 3 pounds of the Great Value fully cooked meatballs, home style. And they're 3,360 calories to the whole bag. Give those a stir. You just kind of want to get them all coated. And I forgot, add the rest of the barbecue sauce. Cover it up on low heat. It's going to take between 6 and 8 hours. I'm going to go ahead and stir it about every hour. So I'll see everybody in about 6 to 8 hours. Okay, it's been about 6 hours now. One thing's for sure, they are hot. They smell good. They don't, you can smell the bourbon. I'm not smelling a strong spicy smell. I'm not smelling a strong sweet smell. Just a nice, pleasant smell, to be honest. Go ahead and get one of these out. Nice and tender. Give them a little taste. They're good, but there's nothing special about them. It's a real mild sweetness. I'm not tasting anything really spicy. If it was me, I'd probably add some like a sriracha or some hot sauce or something to get them spiced up a little bit. But I mean, if you just want a nice plain meatball for on like a meatball sub maybe, or on like noodles, you know, without the sauce, this might be a real good alternative. Yeah, I mean, they're good. Just for me, there's no wow factor. But if you do try this recipe, let me know what you think about it. If you do something different, leave a comment, let me know. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, get off here. Oh, before I go, total calorie count for everything is 3,360. So, I mean, if you divide that up into 4 servings, which is plenty, you're not looking at too many calories. Okay, do me a favor. Click on that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.